is Roman Tips. Today I show you how to make a stepped array chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, and first open Google Sheets and open your project, alt all, or create new project, and to category amount, and click on car and press shift your keyboard and click on this and select all category and amount and click on insert and search chart and click on chart and search right corner chart type and click on this and search stepped array chart. Alright, and this stepped array chart, click on. Alright, create stepped array chart. Stacking none, standard 100. Alright, none. And scroll down, switch rows columns. Okay, and click on customize, chart style, background color, and font, chart border color, chart and axis, amount hello, okay, and bold, series and legend, horizontal axis, vertical, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.